Hello everyone, this is Sharada and you are watching Duggani Sisters. Today I will be teaching Roman numerals part 2. In the earlier video we have learned about the Roman numerals. So today we will be learning about how to write a larger number in Roman numerals. So as we have learned, in Roman numerals we have 7 symbols and you have I that represents value 1. We have a symbol of V that represents 5. We have a symbol of X represents 10. L represents 50. C represents 100 and D represents 500 and M 1000. Now these are the symbols. We have 7 symbols representing these values. So let us learn the values which you can write further greater than this. Now the maximum number we can write by using this is 3000 and plus. Now that is M and you can write up to 3999. Yes, so the next number how to write, today we will be learning how to write the next numbers. The last number which we can write is 3999 and this can be represented as, now it is 3000 plus 900 plus 90 plus 9. Now this makes you to write easily. Now 3000 is nothing but it is represented by using 3 times M, and you know that any number can be repeated, maximum number of times can be repeated is only 3 times. So 3000 and it is 900. So 900 can be written as CM and next it is 90. So XC and 9IX. So after this we have a 4000. But as we have learned those 7 symbols, with those symbols we cannot write 4000. So the next symbol for 4000 is, now here before introducing this symbol, I just want to say about the types of brackets. Now we have small bracket, flower bracket, square, and the next one is vinculum. I repeat once again, we have 4 types of brackets, that is small brackets, flower brackets, square brackets and vinculum. Now this vinculum is another type of bracket. Now here we know symbol for 4 is IV. Now I am going to represent this vinculum over it. So this vinculum represents in Roman numeral 1000. So this is nothing but 4 followed by 3 zeros. In the same way, if I write V and a vinculum over here, it is nothing but 5 followed by 3 zeros, that is nothing but 5000. So 6, VI is 6. When I represent a vinculum over it, it is nothing but 6 followed by 3 zeros, it is nothing but 6000. Next is VII, it is 7. When I write a vinculum over it, it is 7 followed by 3 zeros, it is 7000. Next is VIII, represented a vinculum over it is nothing but 8 followed by 3 zeros. So next it is 9IX. When I write a vinculum over it, it is nothing but 9 followed by 3 zeros and it is 9000. In the same way, if I write X and write a vinculum over it, it is nothing but 10 followed by 3 zeros, it is 10,000. In the same way, we can write L and vinculum over it. L represents 50 and vinculum represents 3 zeros, that is nothing but 50,000. So next is C, a vinculum over it is nothing but 100, C represents 100 and a vinculum represents 1000. So it is 100,000. And next it is D. If I write a vinculum over it, D represents 500 and a vinculum over it is nothing but 1000. So 500,000. So next it is M followed by a vinculum, that is written vinculum over it is M value is 1000 and vinculum represents 1000. So it is 1000 thousands. These all are the numbers over 3999. Now next let me explain the next one. Yes, as I told you, okay. Now we know that if I write a vinculum over it, its value is 5, V is 5 and vinculum represents 1000. So it is 5000. Now the next number, if I write a vinculum over it once again, it represents again 1000, that is 5000 thousands. If I write X over it, if I write a vinculum, it is 10,000 and if I write one more, it is nothing but 10,000 thousands. In the same way, L vinculum over vinculum is nothing but 50. L represents 50, vinculum represents 1000 and another one is nothing but one more 1000, that is 50 million. So 50,000 thousands. It can be 50, it is read as 50,000 thousands. And next is C vinculum over vinculum, that is C represents 100. One vinculum represents 1000, another one is 1000. So this is nothing but 100,000 thousands. So next is D. D represents 500. If I represent one vinculum, it is 1000. If I represent another one, it is 1000. It is 500,000 thousands. So next is M, a vinculum. So M in the sense 1000. If I have written one vinculum, it is 1000. And if I write one more vinculum, it is 1000. Normally we are habituated to write if it is grade 3. So we are going to write grade and we are going to write 3 number like this and write above line and a down line. So now onwards, do remember you are not supposed to write the line above and down. Now this is going to change the entire value of it. So if at all you want to specify grade 3, so write grade and write I. And if it is 4, IV. If it is 5, just write V. Don't keep a line up and down. So this represents the value, not 5 but more than that. So this are not now you are not supposed to write in this way. So you have to write just V. So this is the right way to represent grade 5. So that's all about this. Now these all are the Roman numerals. So today we have learned how to write a larger numbers in Roman numerals. If you have liked this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.